Adding license key check to your digital software is as easy as copying this code into your program. KeyAuth has a pre-made example which you can download here, or watch me show you how to add this to your own program in under a minute. Make sure to download the folder. You're going to need the files either way. Let's make a C++ console app. Then I want to open the folder for the project. Very important, you need to set this to release and no debug. Debug does not work, must be released. Then look in the files you downloaded from GitHub. Go to the x64 folder and copy all the HPP and H files and the lib file. Paste those into your project folder. Then I'll click Show All Files and reload, and I'll choose the files with the X's and I'll right click Include in Project. Now I'll just do some copy and paste between main C++ file and my project. Very important, you need to set this to release and no debug. Debug does not work, must be released. So I can remove this file system code, or I can just go to properties and change the C++ language standard up to 17. Your choice. We need to tell KeyAuth which app we're using. So let's go to the dashboard. Let's go up to the top of the page and find where it says Manage Apps. Click on that. Now click on the C++ choice and click Copy Credentials. Now replace the old code with the new code you just copied. I'll enter my license key into the program. Works great. I can sell this, make a bunch of money. If you need any help, look at the KeyAuth website. You can use the support chat here on the bottom right, or you can find our Telegram chat here. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.